Okay, so the next thing we want to do is to duplicate this about the author block, but using panels instead. Previously, we demonstrated how we could use fields in particular panel panes. And in this example, we're basically going to do the same thing, but we're going to have to establish a relationship and create a new variant in order for this to work properly. So before we go to the panels administration page, I wanted to point something out, which is that we're on a blog entry page here, and if we hover over it, you see this cogwheel. If we click it, it says Edit Panel. Now, before, we used panels in order to lay out our review pages, but because we didn't specify a particular context for the panel variant, it's being applied to every node page. So the first thing we're going to do is tighten up the variant that applies to our review pages. Then we're going to create a new variant for our blog entry pages, and then create a relationship that allows us to use fields from our users as well as fields from our node.